Hello, we are Group E. Our project is the automatic supply chain system. So let's get started. Modern e-commerce logistics require to balance delivery speed, cost, and operational constraints, such as have locations and each load speed limits. To address these constraints, we aimed to develop the supply chain management system that suggests the efficient route for delivery. As a part of the project implementation, we constructed a model city to serve as the testing environment. Based on the crystallized central place theory, we created the coordinate map with multiple layers of centers arranged on a hexagonal grid. Also, the map has highways and general roads. Let me explain how our delivery system works. We set the two types of relay points for shipment. One is fulfillment centers. They are for receiving, storing, packing, and shipping products by trucks. The other is delivery stations. They receive goods from fulfillment centers. They store goods and hand them over to local delivery drivers. The standard path for an order is from the suppliers to the fulfillment center, then to the delivery station, and finally to the customer. There are two ways of shipping: separate shipping and consolidated shipping. There are two modes of transport: trucks and drones. Trucks operate on fixed schedules, departing every 2 hours from both the fulfillment centers and delivery stations. Drones, on the other hand, are reserved exclusively for premium subscribers. They can take off from fulfillment centers and delivery stations and deliver products at precisely designated minute-level times, offering a highly flexible and punctual service. We set some restrictions in the delivery system. For example, heavy shipments over 100 kilograms are delivered only by trucks. Additionally, truck speeds varies depending on the type of load. Drones, too, change its speed depending on the type of product they carry.
And a challenge we face. In a group work, it was difficult for all members to share the common vision of the overall program. And because of it, and also due to the consistencies, we need to wait until the previous member finish their part of the project. And this is also need to take much time for finish this final project. And then it's for coding. The coding generated by AI during the web coding does not always meet our needs. It takes much time to debug or make the request more precisely to let AI know what we want. And then the combination of code done by different members is also difficult because everyone has a different and unique method to deal with the same questions. And it's very difficult to know what everyone is thinking about. And okay, this is the end of the brief explanation of our project. Okay, and now is our coding demonstrate.
So I'm gonna enter the product ID. It is in the product list like this, and then there are 100 products, and then so I'm gonna enter 113 P005, and then P065, and then P094, and then enter. And then after that, it shows sentences like enter destination action coordinates as QR, which means which is a destination. So I'm gonna enter -4. And then it shows are you a premium member? And then this time I'm gonna enter no. And then it shows enter product IDs to consolidate subset of the above, or press enter to skip consolidation. So I'm gonna consolidate these first two, like P003, P005, and P065, and enter. And the systems calculate the shipping arrival time, and then it shows two separate shipping per product, and then consolidated shipping selected product, and then product like, so in the consolidated shipping, P003, P005, and then P065, and the total weight is 5 kilograms, which is really light. So the drone can deliver it at 30 kilometers per hour. And then its earliest consolidated arrival time is 2025, December 9th, 16:06, 40 minutes. And then it shows note, as a non-premium member, drone delivery is not available. With a premium plan, if in conditions such as weather and weight allow, you can use drone delivery and then minutes level scheduling, which is really good for customers, right? So, and then it shows premium scenario, and then this is earlier than this non-premium arrival time, right? So I'm gonna enter yes and this one. Would you like to upgrade to premium plan? And then when I say yes, and then it shows you are now treated as a premium member, and then it shows the arrival time, and then it also shows if you select the earliest possible delivery time, please be aware that you must confirm the order quickly, which is really realistic in the real lives, like ordering product in Amazon, right? So I'm gonna enter. So if I type 2005 and December 9th, 3 o'clock. This is the arrival time, and then it shows the availability may change if the order is delayed. So I have to, and then this is the consolidated part, and then I have to type for the P094, which is the separate shipment. So I'm gonna enter. So this is faster from consolidated part because it is separate and this is also delivered by drones, right? So I'm gonna enter this one, and then the systems calculate the final shipment decisions, and so as shown here, this is the information of this delivery system. So order time, consolidated time, arrival at delivery station, arrival time, requested time, right? And so this is separate shipment, and so on. And like this is the route that the product goes, and so this is a time. So this is the visualization part. It has three options, like visualize separate shipment, visualize consolidated shipment, and visualize both. And then I want to show you both for product process. So I'm gonna type 3. Okay. It may take some time. So finally, this is the route for P094, which is done by separate shipment. And actually, this is a really the destination and then storage site is really near, so fulfillment, so it's really small. But as shown in the graph, you can see the route, and this is consolidated route. So this is quite interesting for you guys because the three products are gathered in the center fulfillment center, and then it is consolidated, and then departed from the designated time, and then from fulfillment center to delivery station, and from delivery station to destination, it is delivered by drones, and then it is delivered in a minutes level, which is quite good for customers in the real lives. So this is the overall presentation. Thank you very much. Okay.